Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Fix File Explorer is opening too slow in Windows. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is right-click Start button, click Run. Copy text from description and paste it. Click View, click Show Hidden Files. Delete all files. Restart system. Third method is type indexing options in Windows search bar, click indexing options. Click advanced, click rebuild. Fourth method is Open File Explorer, this PC. Open problematic folder. Right-click folder, click Properties. Click Advanced, uncheck Allow files in this folder to have contents indexed in addition to the properties. Click Customize, select General Items. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.